and welcome to my channel Brown Mom's Cooking. Today we're gonna make a protein salad. For this we need chopped cheese, some lemon juice, peanuts, cumin and black pepper. I have chaat masala over here, black salt, black chickpeas, coriander, chopped tomatoes, lemon, and chopped cucumber. Now we're gonna start mixing it. First I'm gonna put black chickpeas. Then I'll add the cucumbers. And the coriander. Then I'll add some peanuts. Now I'm gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna add black pepper and cumin. Chaat masala, a little bit, and some black salt. Now I'm gonna mix it well. Then I'm gonna add the cheese. And some lemon juice. Now we're gonna mix it well. And our protein salad is done. Now I'm going to serve this. Now I will garnish it with some coriander and some lemon. And my protein salad is done. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.